Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another Treadmill Talk Thursday. We are going live. It is nighttime, so I am putting on a bit of light. Okay, welcome back to another Treadmill Talk Thursday. I will get cracking, get going, make it short and sweet as usual. And today's Treadmill Talk Thursday is all about how you can become or reach your peak level performance. Okay, being a former international gymnast, being an athlete, and having just seen the past Olympic Games go by, also having worked with a bronze medalist Olympic athlete this week, I have learned quite a lot along the way, and I'd like to share some of that with you today. Firstly, we know that movement is imperative, okay? And keeping fit, keeping strong, keeping healthy, physically, mentally, and emotionally is so crucial, all right? Now, that's why I like to keep moving using this lifespan treadmill, okay? There's also another element that high performance and peak performance athletes go through in order to remain at their peak. The first one is having sufficient and decent amount of sleep, okay? Not only the amount of sleep, but also the quality of your sleep. Whether you sleep with your window open to have a bit of airflow, your mattress, if it's comfortable, your pillow, that is so critical because without a decent night's sleep, we don't have the sufficient amount of energy to get on with the next day. Secondly, the types of food that we eat. I'm sure of late, many people are so conscious about what they're eating and what they're putting into their bodies. And I want to tell you by one thing. There's something that I talk about in a lot of my talks, and it's I go by the principle of you go what you pee. That means you get out what you put in. So it's critical and crucial to be eating the right amount and the right types of food in order to perform at your peak level, no matter what you do, where you are in life, in your professional or personal life. And the third element is having a social life. By having some kind of an interaction with people on a daily basis, it's so fundamental. Many of us are working from home these days. We don't get out. We don't meet people. I get out a fair amount of time, but there are still times where I feel I need to go out and have a social interaction, a social connection with somebody. Without having that connection with people, then we tend to lose some of our peak performance because we start to feel a bit lonely and sad and down. And that leads me perfectly onto today's highlight of a charity that I always like to highlight on every single episode. You see, this is when using this treadmill, having socks that slip off is not good. So have some decent socks when you're on a treadmill. So the one charity that I want to mention for today is the Holding Space, which is in the south of England. It was created by a lady called Hansa, a connection of mine that I met on LinkedIn. And the Holding Space is basically somewhere where parents or carers can go to just talk over certain things that they might be going, and just it's a space where people can have and go to if they have any issues with their personal lives, professional lives, and somewhere where they can speak to somebody with from a professional background and to help their mental health and their emotional health as well. So I hope you enjoy that Thursday treadmill talk and keep on positive. Enjoy the rest of the week, and we'll see you next week. See you later.